Yeah, here.
Welcome to Rebel Chaser. My name is Gail, and I have just a really quick clip for you from Seattle-Tacoma Municipal Court in Washington and Judge Pauline Freund, I think is how you say it. She's arraigning a woman with 3 active PPOs and 8 civil actions against her. And that still cannot keep her from stalking the protected parties. And as you can see, she's not real happy with the judge and the court. I'll let you watch.
All right, are we ready on Ms. Anderson's matter?
Yes, this is Sabrina Lynn Anderson here for arraignment on Y23000069. Is that your true and correct name, ma'am?
It's Serafina.
Serafina. And your date of birth is
1/24/1960.
okay. Earlier, I went over your rights to arraignment with you. Any questions about your rights that I wasn't able to answer?
No.
Your Honor, I did go over the charge, the maximum penalty, any mandatory minimum penalty. Would acknowledge the complaint, wait for more reading, and ask to plead not guilty.
Plead not guilty will enter. Probable cause was previously found on February 1st of this year. What is the city's recommendation regarding release?
City is seeking bail in the amount of $2,500, so objecting to release, asking for conditions of no criminal law violations, abiding by all valid orders, prohibiting contact. They're looking at this record. There are 3 active orders prohibiting contact, 8 different. This defendant is a respondent in 8 different civil petitions. This particular alleged order is a stalking order, and the order itself was not enough to prevent the alleged contact, which was coming to the protected party's home in their driveway and taking something off of their car. So I don't believe that the order was sufficient to prevent contact in the allegation before the court today. There's obviously a lot of individuals that believe that they need court protection from Ms. Anderson. And so I just don't have a lot of confidence that she's going to abide by this court's order when the nature of the allegation itself was not an allegation of not abiding by another court's order.
May I say something, Your Honor?
Not about the case, Ms. Anderson.
Ms. Trinity, any objection to that request?
Your Honor, Ms. Anderson's hoping the court releases her on her personal recognizance, even with what the city said, but she's presumed innocent of the charge. It was an allegation from over a year ago, and there's been no other allegations that she's violated this order. So we are hoping the court gives her a chance to show up to handle it out of custody. She's indicated she can abide by the other conditions of not violating the law and not violating the order and showing up for a court date. Her address is good on her rights form. She would need to screen if she's intending on asking for assistance from the public defender, and I explained how to do that.
Well, my one fear is if I release Ms. Anderson, that she's going to end up in Kent.
No.
Kent is a $5,000 warrant right now.
What?
There's a warrant for your arrest in the amount of $5,000 out of Kent.
I don't know anything about that. I did receive something in the mail. I put return to sender on it, just like I did when I received something from the city of SeaTac. And as far as I know, it's federal. I am a notary public. I have an equine rescue. I'm a property owner. I have a 3.8 in a county. And I just want to be left alone to do and what I don't bother these people.
So I've just heard you say that we summoned you in, you received the notice and
yes, you're right. Return to sender because it was ludicrous. I don't come around these people. They force themselves on me.
Okay, I'm fine.
I have 12 acres.
I'm imposing bail in the amount of $2,500. I'm going to follow.
I can't afford that. I can't afford that.
Additional conditions that you attend to all future court appearances, have no new criminal law violations, update your address with the court and DOL immediately if there are any changes, abide by any and all anti-harassment and protection orders.
So what do I have to come up with, $250?
You have to talk to a bonding company.
No, I'll come up with $250. Do you accept Visa? Because I'll give it to you right
It's
now.
2,500, 2,000.
No, I don't have 25. Fuck you. Let me out of here.
I will provisionally appoint you while she's in custody.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Whew, that woman is a piece of work. Supposedly they're going to call her back on Monday. I'm going to keep an eye on that. I'd really like to see what else she has to say to the court. I wish they hadn't have muted her because I wanted to hear it all. Anyway, I'm going to keep an eye on this one. Thank you so very much for watching, and I'll see you next time.